It's Saturday morning, 13th of November. Just getting ready to pack up and come home tomorrow. So I thought I'd take a video of the work that's been completed on what will be the studio attached to La Maison Grise. So this is the outside. The beams have all been sandblasted. That's wet actually, so but the doors, which are now going to be shutters, have been sandblasted as well. So inside, I've taken the breeze block wall out the back, and you can see that these beams have all been beautifully sandblasted. So of the purlins up above, here is the opening I've created in the solid wall. Put in an oak support beam that's been sandblasted as well. Got a little bit more work to do to take some of the stone out. I've cut a line and got that ready. The old beams above the downstairs door have been sandblasted nicely. This is the second room. There's going to be a staircase, iron staircase there, going up and then up to the upstairs. This main beam is looking really good. Similarly, the purlins up above have been nicely sandblasted. There will be a window in that hayloft opening, a window in that little door. That will be a window, not a door, but it'll be a large window, as will the ones in the back. Got some work, next visit, some work to do on the floor, just to level it a little bit and then put a damp proof course in. I'll be creating a step here. I'm going to put some fascia steps in the bottom and then fill it and let it rise up. So this is the opening I created, all the way up the top. That will be treated. These are the beams that I replaced to create an opening here because it was rotten. This beam here was rotten, so I cut it off and I've used it actually. As I have this side as well, and here on this wall just here there'll be some glass going up, and that way the upper part of the French doors will shine light up above. So this is quite a nice space. It's about 9 to 10 square meters upstairs and downstairs, both sides roughly. Not quite, but very roughly. Okay.